介紹一下幕後嘅工作俾大家睇。
在新加坡媒體行業工作的體育記者。We need to manage the mixed zone。
嘅話，我都好想睇下可唔可以 interview 到個裁判長啦，同埋睇下可唔可以 interview 到嗰個 coordinate 晒成個賽事邊個裁判做邊一場嘅嗰個人咯。早晨，大家好，咁今日咧就嚟到新加坡羽毛球公開賽嘅現場環境。咁其實今日已經唔係第一日啦，咁啊嚟咗幾日啦，咁就想帶大家咧睇下新加坡呢一個場地嘅環境，同埋呢條片最主要係想介紹一下幕後嘅工作俾大家睇，即係睇下究竟啲人係點樣去 run 成個活動咧，咁就 interview 下佢哋。好 ，let's go。咁咧，其實新加坡俾我嘅感覺咧，就相比馬來西亞咧係比較嚴啲啦。即係你會見到咧啲員工啊、啲 staff 啊，都會問下你個 pass 可以去邊度 access 啊，同埋佢會 restrict 咗啲 area 俾你咯。同埋成個氣氛都好似冇馬來西亞咁活力咁樣，同埋即係真係工作啦。
Hi, I'm Jasmine from Moontalk Media. So for KFF Singapore Capital Open this year, Moontalk Media is actually the official PR agency and the social media team to handle their social media accounts. Of course, it's like we want to actually fulfill all the media's like requests because every media have like different requests to interview different players. So the challenges is that sometimes we did not manage to get a player to actually help with the interview because of the players like schedule in terms of training and competition. So there are a lot of like coordination whereby like we need to manage the mixed zone, which is actually the area for after the game where the players go into the mixed zone for interview. So we have to manage that area to ensure that all the media get to actually ask the player questions, and we have to manage in another way to ensure that other non-media are not allowed to actually come into the mixed zone to take pictures with players or to actually request for autograph.
後面咧，而家佢哋就係準備緊做一個正式嘅比賽啦。咁而家咧就係朝頭早，但係咧個比賽咧晏晝先開始。咁佢哋就會 set 下啲 cam 啊，同埋咧可能有啲 marching in 嘅 practice 同埋 rehearsal 咯。因為可能聽日就係半決賽，後日就係決賽。咁佢哋已經忙到甩碌㗎啦。咁啊，所有嘢都係今日做啦。咁啊，啲裁判啊，所有人啊，嗰啲 camman 啊，就會喺呢一度咧。佢哋咧就會 set up 晒先啦，咁大家喺電視熒幕上面見到嘅嗰啲畫面咧，就係靠呢一堆 camera 咧去 operate 㗎啦。裁判都係一個好重要嘅元素啦，喺呢個比賽裏面。咁而家後面咧就係影緊大合照啦，佢哋。咁其實如果有機會嘅話，我都好想睇下可唔可以 interview 到個裁判長啦，同埋睇下可唔可以 interview 到嗰個 coordinate 晒成個賽事邊個裁判做邊一場嘅嗰個人咯。咁我覺得係一個幾有趣嘅經驗，同埋至少我自己作為一個裁判，我都可以去向你哋偷師嘛。好，啱啱就同咗一個叫做 Empire Coordinate 嘅嘢啦。咁咧，但係有啲可惜嘅位係因為 due to 呢個PWF 嘅 regulation 咧，佢就唔係咁方便出到鏡或者即係做訪問，但係佢傾偈嘅過程裏邊咧，都知多咗佢一啲工作啦，即係例如佢嘅工作係要點樣去分配啲裁判去邊個場度睇邊個比賽咁樣啦。即係如果係球員同裁判咧係同一個國家或者地區咧，佢就唔可以 assign 啦。咁如果太多場次咧，佢又要諗下點樣調嚟調去啊，要諗下幾時啲裁判可以屙尿啊、休息下嗰啲。咁我覺得都幾有趣。咁但係有啲可惜就係拍唔到佢講話俾大家睇，講解佢嘅工作。咁佢唯有得我口述。
我是陈子欣，我是在新加坡媒体行业工作的体育记者。然后平时我有写的报道包括羽毛球、乒乓球、有击剑、足球之类的，然后也有去过一些国外比赛，比如东南亚运动会、亚运会，还有世锦赛也去过。因为我在这行做了蛮多年的关系，所以我个人
觉得没有很大的困难，因为常看的比赛有很多，然后自己脑子也会记住很多他们过去的交手啊，比如像今天的决赛是陈雨菲和安琪怡、李诗沣和石宇奇，然后他们两个刚好也是亚运会的男单和女单在决赛打的球员，所以有基于那个印象，我就觉得我的报道会比较容易处理。
好啦，而家完晒啦，成個賽事7日嘅旅程已經完咗啦。咁咧，我覺得新加坡冇其他，即係冇馬來西亞咁熱情啦。即係你走嘅時候，你都好似冇一種好唔捨得嘅感覺咯，就係、唉做完嘢啦，走啦，可以翻屋企啦，好開心啊咁樣咯。但係呢一個就係我喺呢個新加坡嘅旅程嘅感覺。咁就係咁樣咯。咁啊，下一條片就係印尼啦。咁啊，睇下到時可唔可以有啲有趣啲嘅嘢。拜拜。